and that Tanner took about 10 minutes to do all these.
It's week 7 of Devlogs. What a ride, you know? Well, I think I'm gonna do what we've been waiting for this whole time. I need to draw some mountain sprites, and then I'm gonna get my roommates to rate them and see which one they like best. So I'll just draw a couple different variations, and then we'll let it rip. See what Joe likes the best, and yeah. All right, so there's 4 different variations I just drew up real quick. I'll get my roommate's opinion and we'll go with that one and start drawing the rule tiles for all of them. All right, so I'm gonna get my friends to check out my artwork and hopefully pick the best stone tile or mountain tile, or not pick one and just totally roast me. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I set up this little scene with all 4 of the different variations, and we're gonna bring in my friends and see what they say.
Honestly, I believe this is above my pay grade. He's not paying me anything, so I don't know why I'm here doing this. Right off the bat, I think, now this might be me reaching a little bit, but I think 3 is the worst right off the bat. I think just because Tanner outlined 1, 2, and 4, or the black leash to it, it makes it pop more. I think that maybe makes it look better. I would say that 1 and 2 are quite similar, obviously besides the gray on number 2. Right now, I would say that number 4 is the best one, and that Tanner took about 10 minutes to do all these. Thank you.
Number 4 kind of looks like my left nut, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna kill myself!
These are all terrible, but No, I think number 3 is definitely the best, just because it has no borders, and I think it'll show better because that border around it. Yeah, my go-to is number 3. Oh, looks like me and little Gary have some competition going on here. Well, I can see number 4 though. I just don't like the black border. So.
Why are we recording?
That was a question.
That'd be funny for me.
Yeah, pretty sure we are. We're recording.
Well,
I'm gonna say I can't really see Mountain 3 very well if I'm playing the game. I'm not sure what that is. I'm honestly kind of leaning towards Mountain number 2 or 4.
okay. It's more
4 is your
adventures.
favorite mountain?
Well, 2. I'm between 2 and 4 as well, but like.
4 is your favorite mountain. I think it
I
kind
don't
of
know.
is. I kind of think it's my favorite mountain too.
Okay. Let's do 4.
Our favorite mountain is number 4. Tanner! I didn't comb my hair before this. You look great though.
Well, thank you.
Tanner!
All right, Joe. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Which drawing, Joe? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Which one? Which one? Which one, huh? Yes, which one, huh? Which one, huh?
All right, so I added the winning mountain sprite in, but it's only one, so I got to draw the rest of them. But we'll see if there's any instances where it's just that single. Here's one instance, and it's highlighting correctly. It's an issue, but for now, I think we're gonna just deal with it, I think, for now. Dude, that lines up pretty well. Love to see that, baby. All right. Looking good. Not bad. Look at these mountains, dude. They're coming together, baby. Like this, obviously, this grid repeated pattern isn't ideal, but not shabby at all, dude. Alrighty. Crockley dee dun diddy do, brothers and sisters. This looks good. Dudes, this looks good. Look at me. Look at me go, dude. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for this week. The mountains actually look kind of good. The game is starting to look kind of good. What can I say, dude? I'm an artist and I didn't even start it, you know? You know me, and Joe, you know Joe too. You know, he's just a guy. He's a no. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Relatively productive week with the art. We'll see what happens next week on Devlog number 8. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend. And maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one. Mr. Joe, take me, we can be alone. Which one? Which one?
Yes, I like my doggy. I like my doggy.
Hey, careful now, big boy. Oh, look at some slobbers up here, right?